Bari Beef has been making Italian beef for over 30 years. Bari Beef is located in South Elgin, Illinois. The Italian beef kit arrived in great condition. The box itself has a decorative drawing on it. The kit came with the Italian beef, Toronto rolls, and giardiniera. Each of the Toronto rolls is 12 inches in length. The instruction recommend making each sandwich 4 inches in length. The au jus for the Italian beef sandwich is very salty but also very tasty. The rolls are soft and excellent tasting. The Italian beef is tender with a perfect consistency. It also tastes great. The au jus does cause the rolls to break down. It is a messy sandwich to eat. Overall, it is a great tasting Italian beef sandwich. The giardiniera, which is a marinated pepper mix, contains peppers, celery, cauliflower, carrots, and green olives. The mixture adds heat and some oilness to the sandwich. It also adds a crunchiness to the sandwich. You still get the saltiness from the au jus. The hot beef Italian is a delicious sandwich with some heat to it. The sautéed green peppers were made from peppers harvested from my garden. The addition of the peppers adds some sweetness to the sandwich, which is known as the sweet Italian beef. The spices and salt of the au jus create a delicious taste. Really a tasty sandwich due to the addition of the sautéed peppers, which have a classic green pepper taste. The hot and sweet Italian beef, which has both the marinated pepper mix and sautéed green peppers, has both a spiciness and sweetness to it. It also seems less salty than the other sandwiches. You still do get the taste of the Italian spices with the sandwich. The combination of the heat and sweet with the Italian beef creates an extremely delicious sandwich. I made the Italian beef sandwich using a green frying pepper, which also was grown in my garden. The green frying pepper was similar in taste to the green pepper, maybe slightly sweeter. The sweet Italian beef sandwich turned out fine. It was delicious. The final pepper used from the garden was an orange bell pepper. The sweet Italian beef using this pepper turned out excellent with a slightly more sweeter taste than with the other two peppers. The Bari Beef Kit enables people at home to create the classic Chicago Italian beef sandwich. The quality of items received from Bari Beef was extremely hot. The beef was absolutely tender and not chewy. The rolls were soft and tasty. The giardiniera was spicy and tasty. Overall, a great Italian beef sandwich.